Let's look at a poem from Siri Kannada grade 6. The name of this poem is Gangavva Thai and it is written by Dr. Siddhalinga Pattanashetty. Gangavva. Ganga, as soon as I say the name Ganga, we remember the river Ganga, right? But water, another name for water is also Ganga. So here the meaning is water. Thai is mother. So the title is Mother Water. Water is always compared to mother because just as how mother is essential for all our lives, so is water. Right? We cannot survive without water. So water is given the importance of a mother. Okay? Now let's look at the poem. Batayi Batayi Baravva Thai Gangavva Thai Neeravva Thai. Ba means come. Thai is mother. So here the poet is requesting and welcoming water to come. Okay? So everywhere it is there. Batayi, Batayi, Baravva Thai. It all means come, 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 please come. Gangavva Thai, Neeravva Thai. Okay? Mother water, please come. Then, Neleda Kanakanadaga, Manada Padapadaraga, Tumbavva Thai, Jivana Nee Namage, Needavva Thai. So the poet is saying, he's welcoming the water. First paragraph, he was just welcoming the water. So where all water should fill. So it should be, water should come and fill all the particles, all the cells or the minute particles in the soil. The water should fill our hearts because water is the most important part of our life, right? So the poet is welcoming the water and he's saying, please come, please fill all the particles of the soil. Please fill our mind and heart because you are the one who's giving us life. So please come, fill and give us our life. Needavva Thai is give. So the poet is requesting the water to come and give life to all of us. Then, ನೀನೊಬ್ಬಳಿದ್ದರೆ ಜಗದಾಗ ನವದಾಗ ಜಳ 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 ಜಲ ಜಲ ತಾಯಿ ಹೊಳೆಯವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ನೀರವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ. ನೀನೊಬ್ಬಳಿದ್ದರೆ means only if you are there. Jagadaga navadaga, in this world and in the sky. If the water is there, if it is available on earth and in the sky, then there will be the water cycle. We'll have rains. Because of rains, we'll have crops, right? We'll have so much of greenery and we'll have so much of life only if water is available. So, if there is water, there is shine everywhere. It is shine of enthusiasm and life everywhere. So, the poet is saying, only if you are there can all this happen. Then, Nelada Vola Horagella Pranada Tumbella Nagunaguta Naliyutta Putiyutta Kuniyutta Chimmutta Jigiyutta Hariyutta Suriyutta Dhodho Bharavva Neeravva Bharavva. So the poet, how does water come? See, water, we see water in various forms. You can see water as rain. You can see water as waterfalls. You can see water as a river, as a lake, as a pond, right? And the water, the way it flows, in some places it goes in too much of speed. It actually bounces and leaps and jumps, right? So water, you can see water in all these forms. So the poet is expressing all that. So he's saying, please come inside and outside the land, because if water is filled inside and outside, only then there is life. So come inside and outside the land, fill life in all of us. And how is the water coming? How is he telling her to come? Smiling and dancing. Nagunaguta is smile. Naliyutta is dance. Putiyutta is bounce. Kuniyutta is leap, jump. Then Chimmutta, sprinkle. Jigiyutta, leap. Hariyutta, flow. Suriyutta, pour. Okay. So the water, the poet is telling the water, please come in any of these forms and fill our life. Okay, please come smiling and dancing or bouncing and jumping or leaping and sprinkling or pouring as rain or flowing as a river. In some form, you come and fill our lives. Then the next paragraph. Onagida neladaga ಹಸಿ ಹಸಿರು ನೆಡಲಾಕ ಉಸಿರುಸಿರು ಉಳಿಸಾಕ ಕೊಳೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳಿಯಾಕ. So why should the water come? Now if there is barren land, onagida neladaga means come inside the barren land. So when water comes, the soil becomes wet and then you can sow seeds and grow plants. Hasi hasiru nedalaka, to sow all the seeds. Usirusiru ulisaka. So when you sow the seeds, you get your crops, you get your food. Food is also one more important part of our life, right? So to save lives, only water is not enough. We need other things as well. We need food. Food is also an important part. So if there is water, then we can grow crops, we can grow our food, and that will save lives. So the poet is telling, please come and make the barren land fertile. Please help us sow plants, seeds and grow plants so that we can save our lives. And also please come to wash away or clean away the dirt. Kole is dirt. Tole is wash. Okay, so what is the main thing we use for cleaning? Water is one of the main things we use for cleaning anything which is dirty. So please come and clean all the dirt. Barabara dharadhara jivada tunukagi mai manasa ಹೊಲಸೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳೆಯುವ ತಾಯಿ ನೀರವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ ಗಂಗವ್ವ ತಾಯಿ. ಭರಭರ ಧರಧರ is come in plenty, come in abundance and come quickly. Okay, come in abundance and come quickly. Jivada tunukagi, you are a part of our lives, so you have to be in abundance. If there is no water, then there will be no life, right? There is because water is a main part of the life. The poet is saying, please come in abundance, please come quickly. Then mai manasa holasella toliyavva tayi, and clean the dirt which we have in our body and in mind. Please come for that. You are a part of our life. Please come in abundance and please come quickly. You also have to clean our body and mind. Neeravva tayi, Gangavva tayi. Again, water. The poet is welcoming and requesting the water to come to do all these things. Baravva tayi, Gangavva tayi, Batayi, Batayi, Neeravva tayi. So again, this is just welcoming. The poet is welcoming and requesting the water to come. ನೀರವ್ವ ಗಂಗವ್ವ ಮಳಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಾರವ್ವ ಹೊಳಿಯಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯವ್ವ ಒಣಗಿದ ನೆಲದಾಗ ಹಸುರಾಗಿ ಹೊಳೆಯವ್ವ ಕಲಕಲಾ ನದಿಯಾಗಿ ಹನಿ ಹನಿ ಕಣಕಣ. So how is he asking the rain to come? You come in any form. Sorry, not a rain. How is the poet asking water to come? Water, he is telling water to come in any form. Maliyagi baravva. Mali is rain. Male means rain. Come as rain. ಹೊಳೆಯಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯವ್ವ, flow like a river. ಒಣಗಿದ ನೆಲದಾಗ, on the dry land or a barren land, ಹಸುರಾಗಿ ಹೊಳೆಯವ್ವ, come and shine on that land. Means if there is water, then you can grow crops in that land. ಕಲಕಲಾ ನದಿಯಾಗಿ ಹನಿ ಹನಿ ಕಣಕಣ. Okay, like when the river flows, it will not flow silently. You will hear a lot of noise. So kalakala is that noise that is produced when the river is flowing. Honey, drops. Okay, come as drops or in the form of rain. Batayi, Batayi, Baravva tayi, Gangavva tayi. So again, it's a request that please come. Okay, it's a request and he is pleading the water. Please come, because if there is no water, there is no life, right? So it is very, very important that there is water everywhere. It shouldn't be in plenty. It shouldn't be too less also. So the water should be in balanced quantity. Only then will our entire life depends on that. So that is why there is so much of importance and so much of request and pleading that the water come. So that is Gangavva tayi.